This is the Eufy Security HomeBase S380 or HomeBase 3 for short. And in this video, we're gonna open it to find out exactly what we get for $150. As of the recording of this video, this product has a star rating of 4.4 with 3,316 reviews in Amazon. Some of the things that people love about this product include no subscription fee, easy setup, expandable storage up to 16 terabytes, security and AI features, and the build quality. Some things people disliked about this product are connectivity issues, reliability concerns, value for money, that no SSD is included, and poor customer support. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. As soon as we open the box, we are greeted with another box. Inside that box, we get the Ethernet cable so that you can connect this directly to your modem, the power supply, a quick start guide, and a couple of screws, which I presume are to mount the SSD onto the HomeBase 3. I am very surprised on how small the HomeBase is. I expected it to be at least 4 times bigger than what it is. It has this protective plastic here, which I'm gonna remove. And then you can remove this piece here, which reveals where the SSD for additional storage goes in. Now, I want to see how simple it would be to add an SSD to the HomeBase 3. So I am going to unscrew this cap, which is held only by one screw. And after removing that screw, you can just pull this tray out, and this is where the SSD will go onto, and we can see the connections at the bottom, so you just have to push it in. I don't have an SSD laying around at the moment, so I will have to purchase one for additional storage, but the HomeBase 3 already comes with 16 gigabytes of storage, so I am gonna see if that is sufficient for my needs before I purchase an SSD. In the back, we have a pairing button, 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, and a plug for the power supply. And there you have it. That is what we get for $150. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And don't forget to clean 8-bit.